Hey Maya! Mind if I join you? You look like you're already deep into your day.
Liam. No, not at all. Please, have a seat. And you're right, I'm trying to get a head start. Big meeting later.
Oh, good luck with that. What's it about?
It's a presentation for a new project proposal. Lots of numbers and charts, my favorite.
Sounds intense. I'm just here for my caffeine fix before heading to the library. Trying to finish a book review.
A book review? What book are you reading?
It's a historical fiction novel. Really interesting, but I'm struggling to organize my thoughts on it.
Maybe try breaking it down into sections? Characters, plot, themes. That usually helps me with complex projects.
That's a great idea. Thanks, Maya. You're always so organized.
Well, someone has to be. So, what kind of coffee did you get?
Just a simple latte. How about you?
I went for a double espresso. I need all the energy I can get today.
I can imagine. Well, I won't keep you. Just wanted to say hi.
It's good to see you, Liam. And thanks for the advice. I might actually get this presentation finished now.
Anytime. Have a great day, Maya.
You too, Liam. And good luck with the book review.